Well, hello and welcome again to the Knob Fiddler. Penelope said that I really need to be doing a blog. It's a bit difficult because I'm a bit pissed, but as you can see, the door's now done. Well, most of it is. Painted green. Don't really like it. I think it's going black. Got a few fake beams up on the side. Ooh, stay out of the sun. Little hatch there, as you can see. And still waiting for Anglian Windows to deliver their super duper deluxe window. In the meantime, I'm stuck with this bit of green stuff. So, let's go in. Let's see where we've done. The back of the door. Yeah, still waiting for a bit of tongue and groove to go in there yet. Dartboard up. Customary Hagar. The old knob fiddler. Fake oak beams. Procured from a farm. Mirror. Hey. Electrics. And the piece de la resistance. Craig, you'll be proud of this. Finally found room for my cars. Light switch. Light. Yeah, it's a bit dull. I know it's a bit dull. You don't have to argue with me, it's a bit dull. It's the ambience. Here we are. Knob Fiddler's taking shape. Be back in a while.